Hello guys, so today we're going to download and configure PyCharm to work with Python programs. So let's go ahead and open up our favorite browser. So you can use Google Chrome, but this time I'll be using Opera browser. So here is the link, or here is the website that you need to go on. So JetBrains.com, and then choose PyCharm. So you don't have to worry, I will post this link in the description below. So choose PyCharm and then click the download button, and then there are two versions of the PyCharm, the professional and community. So the community is a free version, but it doesn't have a lot of features or functionalities compared to the professional one. So professional one will include all of this, and it's not going to be free. So you can choose this for free version. So make sure to download the community version, and I'm not going to do this since I already have this on my file, so I'm just going to skip this part here. But on your end, if you don't have PyCharm yet, so choose community for community version so that you can run Pythons on your Windows 10 using this editor. So I'm just going to close this now, and I already have downloaded the file. So I downloaded the professional edition, so it is a free trial for 30 days. So the same process for the community version, so just double click to install, and there's a pop-up in here. Just click yes, then click next. So the process is very straightforward, just like any other installer. You just need to click next, and then just leave the default directory folder, then click next. And when you reach this portion, the installation options, make sure to choose the py extension, and then add launcher dir to the path. This is very important so that it will automatically launch Python on this editor. Then you need to check this one as well, 64-bit launcher and context menu. So just check everything in here, the context menu, create associations, the py, the path, which is very important, and the desktop icon, and then click next, then install. So let's wait for it, since the process is taking, this will going to take some time. So depending on your computer, I'm using Windows 10, but my computer specs isn't that great, so it's taking some time to install this file. So I'm going to pause the video, and when it's done, I'll be back. Okay, right now it is successfully installed, completing PyCharm setup. So it says here reboot. It requires to reboot this PC, so choose reboot now and click finish. And I'm going to fast forward the video so that you will not be able to see this this process. Alright, so welcome back, and right now it has done in restarting the PC. So I have now opened the JetBrains PyCharm, and you will see this on your end as well. So before we create any projects, let's configure this PyCharm editor to work with Python programs. So click this configure, this gear icon, and then go to settings, and then let's wait for it to load up. Okay, and here it is. So as you may have noticed, I have the black user interface. I have chosen the black interface, or the user interface, because it's good for the eyes. So you may have the white version, or the default one. So the default one is white. It is color in white, so you can choose that in the appearance section in the settings, and then choose in here. so you can use IntelliJ, so it's up to you. So you can play around with this using this theme version in the appearance section. And what we want to do here is that we need to go to, let me just check in here, to the project interpreter. Here it is, since we need to configure this editor to work with Python. So from here we need to click this. So click the gear icon, so settings, and then project interpreter, and then click the gear icon, click the add. Okay, so here it is. So in this section, as you can see, it has already found our Python. So if you remember, I have installed the Python in this location, so it automatically found the Python program for us. So we have installed it in this directory, so it automatically found this one. So you just need to click this, so inherit global site packages and make available to all projects. This is very important, and this is our home directory as well. So this will be saved, all of our programs will be saved in this location. You can customize it, you can change, you can save it in different folder by clicking this folder icon, then choose which location would you prefer to be able to save your programs. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and click, and then I'm going to click OK. And once it's done, right now it's going to configure, and okay, right now it is associated with our Pythons, so we can now start running programs. So click the apply and OK. Okay, so right now it is now updating the Python interpreter. So that's how you configure PyCharm to work with Python. And let's just wait for this to complete. So we will just need to test this if it's really working by creating a new project, and then so pure Python, it's already been selected, and let's check. So here it is, location, here it is, it's already installed. Let's just leave everything as it is for the meantime, and then click create. Since we're just going to test if it's really working, we just need to run some very basic Python programs, the hello world program. So it's configuring. Okay, this is the tips of the day. You can uncheck this if you don't want to see this again, this pop-up screen, this pop-up window I mean. So just click this one if you don't want to see this. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now, and click close. Let me maximize this, and here it is. So to create a file, just click the file and projects. Since I'm just going to rename this, or name this one hello world. So what I did, I just created another project, and I named it hello world. Okay, so this is much better. The name is really earlier it was untitled, so I just created a new one, and it is now hello world. So select the file, and then Python file, and then let's name this hello world. And then press enter. So here it is. So let's try to write the very basic, the print hello world. And then to run this, just right click and run hello world. Here it is. And okay, so we have confirmed that it is working. So here is the result of the programs that we have run. So now we are ready to run some Python games moving forward. So we have confirmed that it's working now. So let's go ahead and close this now and start programming Pythons. So that's it for this video, and so that's how easy it is to configure or to link the PyCharm editor to your Python program or to your Python. So let me just close this now, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.